Free Owino, KTN.
A year after giving the nod to the controversial mission in Haiti during a state visit to Washington, President William Ruto now says the multinational security support mission remains replete with underfunding and logistical challenges. During his address to the UN General Assembly, the president termed the current structure of the UN Security Council exclusionary, underscoring the need for urgent reforms to address what he labeled an unfair post-1946 order.
Gangs can be neutralized and the safety of streets, schools, hospitals, and homes secured. The continued harassment, abductions, and criminal acts undermining the lives of Haitians are unacceptable, unjustifiable, and must be stopped by this organization, the United Nations. Madam President, as the UN Security Council deliberates on the next steps, we must not lose sight of the fact that the situation in Haiti demands sustained, coordinated, and undivided international attention. A careful and orderly transition from MSS is essential to consolidate the hard-won gains so far achieved. I urge the Security Council and all partners to remain steadfast in ensuring that Haiti moves forward on a path of peace, stability, and renewal.
From New York,